If your wallet's full of Bitcoin, you're riding the future express. But can it really replace traditional cash? Let's find out. Traditional fiat currencies like the dollar or euro are controlled by governments and central banks. They print more money, inflation happens, and your purchasing power goes poof. But Bitcoin? It's decentralized, meaning no single entity controls it. Limited supply of 21 million coins means no inflation. Sounds like a dream, right? However, Bitcoin's got its own hurdles. Volatility is a big one. One day it's mooning, the next it's crashing. Plus, transaction speeds and fees can be a headache. Adoption is growing though. More businesses accept Bitcoin, and even countries like El Salvador made it legal tender. But for it to truly replace fiat, we need stability and mass acceptance. So, can Bitcoin replace fiat currencies? It's a thrilling possibility, but we're not quite there yet. Keep your eyes on the horizon because the future of money is getting interesting.